Yes, Sarah, you have nailed it, and I do support your take when you said knowledge is not a destination, but it's an ongoing activity. This is critical in the realms of writing, in the realms of publication, and OER stands for the redistribution of and the improvement of materials. And in any work environment, education, nursing, there is a need for revisiting, remixing because ideas change. And because ideas change over years, we cannot accept, we cannot sit back and hold on to my work as gospel and somebody there can better it. So, with your point, what you've said, I do share your view. I also want to strengthen what you have mentioned here about a global society. If we want to blossom globally, resources ought to be free for learners in any developing or developed countries. So holding on to resources at this it's yours, it's yours, but you need to share and help others to grow. Then it become beneficial for you and to you. Otherwise, it makes no sense. So thank you for your post.